And good evening on what is a perfect night for football. The floodlights shining down on the players as we speak. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, ready to provide all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. Kehrer. Now with Hofmann. It has to be! And it's in! 1-0! They've breached the defence! To the action, it's the first period of extra time, and I must say this has been a back-and-forth type of game. Kai Havertz to take the lead!